Beta 1 blockers are usually given to the patients suffering from hypertension. It is also given in various other medical conditions. The drugs blocking beta 1 receptor activity are atenolol, metoprolol, propranolol, etc. Be alert if already patient have had heart attack and taking beta 1 blockers. This drug, if used properly, can reduce the chances of further heart attack, but if shown carelessness, it can even aggravate it. Beta 1 blockers are antagonists for beta 1 adrenergic receptors, which are present in the heart myocardium. These blockers binds to the beta 1 receptors, which are G protein coupled, and inhibits the binding of neurotransmitter norepinephrine as well as hormones released by the adrenal medulla such as epinephrine and norepinephrine. This ultimately decreases heart rate, contractility, and cardiac output. These all contributes to normalize the blood pressure. In certain cases, it may take several months to normalize the blood pressure. After long time usage of beta 1 blockers, the activity of beta 1 receptors of heart decreases, which leads to more and more expression of beta 1 receptors on the heart in an effort to get activated by its agonist. After achieving the normal blood pressure, if patient suddenly stops taking medicine, the sympathetic neuron supplied to the heart continue to fire at the same rate as usual. But now, due to increased number of receptors, the heartbeat, its contractility as well as cardiac output would increase as a withdrawal symptom, which ultimately leads to temporary increased blood pressure. The heartbeat can be so aggravated that during bedtime, when patient is lying down, he may feel racing of heart like he is running. During this time, the receptor's activity will increase. So to decrease its activity, the increased number of receptors will gradually starts to decrease up to normal number. But this may take about more than a couple of weeks for heart to come back to its normal activity. This increased activity of heart for certain period can create major issues for the patients who have already had heart attack. That's why before stopping taking beta 1 blockers, ask to the doctor how gradually dose should be decreased so that minimal withdrawal symptoms be there. Please like and share my YouTube channel, and if you like to watch more videos like this, so please subscribe.